Picking up Lesson 11 from the Animating Text with Keyframes section, let's add a new video group and put in the text that will animate across the top of the screen. Text tool 600 point, make sure it's set to left align, and click. Replace the lorem ipsum with beach day. And we will want to make that text white. Let's change the opacity to 25%. We'll just type it in. And there it is. We'll shorten it so it's the same length as the first clip, 3 seconds. Let's animate it by turning on the transform and creating a keyframe. That keyframe is the beginning spot of the animation. We will use the move tool to reposition the text where we want the text to start, and we want it to start just off the right edge of the screen. Then we'll move to the end of that clip and we'll create a second keyframe by moving the text. The keyframe will be created automatically. Notice that it was too big for me to drag in one step, so I dragged in several steps. I did hold the shift key down to make sure that it dragged and went across the screen horizontally. Let's drag the playhead to see how it looks. There it is. Nice smooth animation. Let's collapse that animation and save our file. One nice thing about video in Photoshop is you can use your familiar tools like an adjustment layer to modify a video clip. Here we'll add a sepia tone, change it to a color that we like, and that will change the way the clip itself will play inside your video. You can take a still image and add some motion to it. We'll zoom, and we'll zoom from the upper left-hand corner, zooming in. That's not really much of a zoom. Let's enhance that by increasing the size of the end image so it looks like it's zooming a little bit more. We will turn on the keyframe and we will transform it, making it 120% of its original size. Be sure to choose the constraint so when you change the width, the height will also change. That's a little better. We'll do the animation for this one backwards. We'll start with the ending frame, set its position by shift dragging, again in incremental steps if you can't drag all the way. Set a position keyframe. Move back to the first frame. Now when you move the image, another keyframe is created. And again, I dragged in little steps because I couldn't drag all at once. I went off the screen. Better than still, motion. Finally, let's animate the sunset. We'll use pan and zoom and change to zoom out to move our sunset image gently across the screen.